Check this out, this is the new XGT 40V MAX Brushless Hammer driver drill from Makita. Now this heavy duty drill is a 3-in-1. It's a hammer drill, it's a drill, and it's a fastener. And you switch between those three modes with the collar behind the keyless chuck. And it's ideal for a wide range of drilling applications with hole saws 152mm max with augers 50mm. Now this drill's got some serious grunt with 141 Nm of peak torque, but it's also got feedback protection so that power doesn't translate into kickback while drilling. This is a 2-speed drill in all modes. When you're in fastening mode, it allows you to adjust the fastening torque via the wheel at the base with 41 torque settings on the electronic clutch. When you put the new XGT drill with battery on the scales next to the equivalent 18V tool, it is 46 grams lighter. And when it comes to drilling, it outperforms it as well. On top of the included side handle, it also comes with a belt clip and a bit holder, and that nice little stopper pole is a great inclusion as well. The new XGT Brushless Hammer driver drill is a very nice bit of kit. It's available as skin only or in a couple of combo kits. Check out sydneytools.com.au for more info. If you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim and you're watching Sydney Tools TV.